Alina, look. Look. No buildings. No humans. Bees. Oh my god, look at the bees. That is the bee. And now hey guys, so I am finally in my new room and it is July and I've shifted to my new room and this will be my room and my house for the next few months till our dream project is being made. And well, so far काफी progress हो चुका है with that project. And it's just been like so busy. I can't tell you, matlab all that running around. So yeah, the project is finally coming true, fingers crossed. Don't jinx it. And check out my new room. That's my babies, that's macrame, that's baby too, and the TV, the suitcases. That's my little kitchen. Like I put one table on top of a chair. Some jugadu thing I did because we're so good at jugadu. And I've kept my induction and one pan. And is cupboard mein sara storage from my clothes. I mean, I've not even taken out clothes. I've not unpacked properly. But some of my clothes, some of my things. And their things, their food and everything, and thoda bahut ration. Matlab I just make I need coffee first thing in the morning, so I make it myself now and I'm so happy about it. So first coffee I make and I put it there. I am gonna get my coffee machine and everything soon, but it's just jugadu till then. And oh my god, the view from here is so beautiful. Wow, I will show it tomorrow morning, but I just wanted to like update because the last video I was seeing, it was like long back and a lot has happened from then. I was in that room. I had to move. It was just temporary for the time being, so I didn't even unpack there. I had to move here in July and stay close to the owners. Oh my god, the owners are so cute and so nice and so homely. Like literally, matlab they feel like home, more than home. So I was with them past year as well, but us time pe matlab I had a long plan, but it just couldn't happen. Distractions and all that stuff, work and stuff. It feels like family. Matlab it's not very businessy kind of thing, but it feels like working with the family. So that is one thing I prioritize that. And then of course family is important. This place is like perfect for me because after staying in Kasol or Parvati Valley, it became like too much of people getting into nasha and all that stuff, and I was there like promoting all the good stuff, like trekking, like travel, like good properties. Yeah, this place is a complete balance of shanti, like it's pin drop silence and full nature around. And the market is just nearby. Like Parvati mein, with them I did bring them, and the main problem was finding basic things, you know, like food and their food and everything. But यहाँ पे it's so close, like I just had to go and get their wet food, and it was just like walk, and I just got the wet food. So everything's available here, yet you are in nature. So I think this is the perfect balance of life, that I can stay around nature and yet get my basic necessities by just, you know, walking. Just a day walk, you can go down, do all the grocery shopping for the month and get it back. So I think this place is so perfect because I don't, you know, like living in a place where it's like a city of like Manali and stuff. Or Parvati. Even Parvati got like very commercialized and stuff. So that pissed me off. But kya kar sakte hain. Manali also, like, it was very crowded, very city-like. And ज़्यादा भी मतलब I've stayed in nature. But again, you don't get basic necessities there. So this is like the perfect balance. I cannot reveal the location because till the time this project is not done, maybe in a couple of months, I cannot tell you. Well, that is about it. And all I can say is, if somebody told me like in the past कि नहीं हो सकता, I would have told them that never stop believing in your dreams, never stop chasing them. You never know how unexpected the life could be. With work, with life, with anything, it is so unexpected, and energies don't lie. If you really give out that energy to the universe, it listens. It actually listens to you, and you just need to put in that effort, hard work, day and night, constantly, and go for it. So yeah, I did. I worked about 12 to 14 hours a day, and day and night, matlab constantly I was just working, and I never stopped believing. Never. Nothing let me down. I mean, it was one day when I didn't get the money back from people who owed me money. I didn't get money, like, in general. I was not getting any bookings, I was not getting any work, all that stuff. But I never lost that hope. I never ever thought this is the end. It cannot be the end. I have not seen my dream come true. That means it's not the end. If I get my dreams come true, if I get everything I want, and it's just basic, like basic dreams, you know, not fancy dreams, but just, you know, basic dreams I can achieve. If that is not done, I've not seen that, it's not the end. And out of nowhere, this dream project starts to come true. And I reach here in Himachal with all that trauma, all that bad shit behind, and come here and literally work on my dreams, work on it, run around and do everything for it. So yeah, never ever ever stop believing in your dreams. Never. And this time I'm so happy that my babies are here. My babies are here to see that dream come true. So yeah, I mean, by the end of the day, I am tired. But again, I will just wrap up this day, wrap up this vlog, and maybe tomorrow morning I'll show you the view from here, do a little vlogging. I've just been so busy. I will show you my day here in my new room if it happens. If nothing goes wrong, I mean, nothing goes wrong here. It's everything is, it's just busy work and stuff. So yeah, I will show you my day in my life in the next vlog. Till then, stay happy, believe in your dreams, and never lose hope, and never stop believing in your dreams, and always work hard for it, and you can achieve anything you want. You just have to believe in it and break it into steps to achieve that. So yes, I will show you the view and everything tomorrow in the mountains. Oh shit, I was about to say the name. A day in my life in the mountains, living alone with my cats, my babies. So yeah, oh my god, I'm so tired. I took a bath twice. I mean, it's hot, but it's humid hot, and it's beautiful monsoon time. Beautiful monsoon time. So yeah, tomorrow I'll show you the view and a day in my life. And tomorrow is Sunday, so I have nothing to do. So I'll probably vlog it. So guys, it is walk time for both of them and आज थोड़ा late हो गया था because being a Sunday. So it is walk time for Salem. Kiki just had a walk. And this is the beautiful garden and the beautiful nature. Endless, endless, endless area of just nature. Like no buildings, no humans, nothing. So that is why like I love this place. And look at Bobby coming with loads of ghas. I mean, darega nahi darega. Everything is just like first time. And look at the bees. Oh my god, look at the bees. That is the bee. And now Bobby is coming from here with loads of ghas. And I love it, matlab, how we work hard for everything and we have to work hard for everything. It's not just Blinkit and Instamart and that thing here. So look at the Barbie coming. I think एक नेपाली भी है भैया. Yes, that is the भैया. Oh my god. Salem, look. Salem, look. Salem, look. Look. क्या है? इसकी जान निकल गई. He's never seen something like that before. So he got like. So yeah, like इसी के पीछे road है. So I'm not even worried that I'm living completely in nature. But yeah, I feel so much in nature here and yet being so close to the basic necessities of life. Even though like you have to walk 15-20 minutes, that's okay. I mean, you need some walk, you need some workout and being fit. So yeah, it is the perfect place and my dream is also being built here. So I think this is the perfect balance. Look at the apple trees. So this is like acres of nature that they have. And on some part here, the dream is being built. Yeah, so I love it here. They come for a walk every day, once a day. And then I go back to work. But it's perfect. Till then, take care and I will see you in the next vlog. Ciao!